Go visit the snow, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Who thinks freezing is fun? Hey, eyes on me. Cousin can see them drooping. Don't do the whole, oh, the snow feels warm routine with me, alright? Hey! I will drag your ass back if I have to. Don't test me. Why the fuck would I be worried? What is there to be worried about when we're in the middle of a snow-covered forest with barely any reception and no idea how we're going to get back? Of course it's sarcasm, Jesus. Did you hit your head or something when you tripped? You did? Look at me. Let me see those eyes. Damn, your pupils are dilated. That's... Okay. We need to get out of here. Find somewhere to warm up. There was a cave back there. It was a shallow cave. Besides, there are no bears here, dummy. Not in this part of the country. Hey, can you walk? Hey! Alright, come here. What does it look like? I'm giving you a ride. Get on my back. Gotta do everything myself. Up we go. You stay awake, alright? No nap time. Got it? Hey! I said no nap time. Tell me a story. I don't care. Anything. Yeah, that one. Tell me that one. That's not true, and you know it. Hey, keep talking. What do you mean by that, huh? What do you mean, I mean? You know I tease you because I love you. I do love you. Hey, listen to me. I love you, okay? More than anything. You think I'm just carrying you in the middle of a snow-covered forest? Just because? Shit. Hey, keep talking to me. Please, keep talking. Anything, tell me about the cat. Yeah, that one. Tell me that story. I know, just a little longer. I can see the cave. Keep talking. Hey! Don't go limp on me. Damn it. Hey, don't do this. Don't sleep now. You can't sleep now. Eyes open. Wake up. Hey, you're back. You're okay. Hang in there. No, it's okay. I'm not mad at you, I'm scared, okay? Yeah, you finally got me scared. See? Can't go to sleep now. Gotta gloat, right? Hold it over my head. Exactly. I'm scared because I'm so madly in love with you. And I don't want you to go somewhere where I can't follow. Right? Look at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't think before I speak. The feelings thing, it's hard for me. But I love you. I've always loved you. So don't you dare think of checking out on me, right? We need to start a fire. Shit. Hey! I need you to stay awake for me, okay? Can you do that? Please? Okay, I'll be quick. Hold on, I've got a match somewhere around here. Yeah, well, bet you're glad I overpacked now. Okay, come here. Easy. We gotta get rid of those wet clothes. Afraid modesty isn't gonna cut it. Besides, not like I've never seen you in your underwears before. Jesus, you're frozen. Hey, don't even think about sleeping. Because you've got a head injury and you're frozen. Sleeping is a very bad idea. Help is coming. Someone has to have noticed we're gone and called for help. Besides, I think I managed to get a call out before the signal jammed. So look, we just need to warm up and hang in there. I know you are. And you can sleep later, I promise. Look, I'm not a doctor yet, but anyone can tell that you're not in a good state. Yeah, all those nights studying do pay off. Love. Because I do love you. You know I do. I'm sorry if I made you feel like I didn't. That was never my intention, I just... Damn it. You've always been able to get me like this. I love you. I know I don't express that as well as I could, but it's true. I love you. Only you. So if you die on me right now, I'm gonna have to drag you back and yell at you. I will, though. So, eyes open. Get closer to the fire. Don't want to get sick now either. The clothes will dry, and then we can put them back on. Jesus, you're shaking. Come here. It's friction. Will help generate some heat. Don't fade out on me. I am worried. Well, I'm glad you find this amusing. Nah, I don't care. As long as you stay with me, make fun of me all you want. Just keep talking. Doesn't matter. Anything, everything. Just keep talking, please. Yeah? What made you think of that? No, I remember. That crappy car of yours. Thought it was going to blow up in the parking lot. Right. Smoke everywhere. No, none of that. Because you're gonna be fine. I know I'm not a doctor yet, but I'll be damned if you leave me like this. Keep talking, come on. I am here with you. I'm not leaving you. Shh. Don't talk like that. Because we're getting out of this, I promise. Hey, did you hear that? Help is almost here. Love? Hey, no, don't do this to me, no. Wake up right now. Damn it! Here, we're in here. I'm fine. It's them. They fell and hit their head. Love, open your eyes. Are they going to be okay? No, I'm fine. Look at them. They need help. Hey, don't you dare leave me. You're awake. They tried. I refused. Because why would I need to be anywhere but here right now? Hey, you said I'm fine. Focus on you. You had a concussion, mild hypothermia, dehydration. You were in a rough spot. I've been treated, okay? I'm good. Yeah, well, the bags under my eyes are for you, dummy. I'm sorry. I was scared. Yeah, really scared. I didn't want to let you out of my sight. Those few hours they treated me were torture. So yeah, I signed out AMA as soon as I could. Lecture me later. Just let me be here with you. You said something back then. That I was mean to you. That you didn't know where I stood with you. No, I do need to talk about it. I need to tell you. You are the most important thing to me. Period. And I'm not good with the word thing. But I will try to show you every single day just how important you are to me. I love you, okay? Is that clear enough for you? Good. No. Because you still have a concussion. Docs want to monitor you. Well, I'm not a doctor yet. Just stay put. Please. I love you too. No, definitely not. Exactly. I'm thinking the beach. Exactly. Warm and sunny. No, love. No more snow ever again. Now get some rest. Docs will be here soon. 'Cause you're yawning. You need to sleep. Don't argue with me. You know I'm right. Go to sleep, love.